Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape refers to a sexual assault that occurs between individuals who know each other, often in social or familiar settings. It involves non-consensual sexual activity where one party does not give their voluntary and clear consent. Here are some examples. Example number 1, educational institutions are focusing on awareness and prevention of acquaintance rape on college campuses. Why acquaintance rape is used in example number 1. Acquaintance rape addresses the specific context of sexual assault within educational environments. Example number 2, consent workshops aim to educate young adults about the importance of clear and enthusiastic consent to prevent acquaintance rape. Why acquaintance rape is used in example number 2. Acquaintance rape highlights the need for consent education. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.